From MIG-MAG welders to aluminum stud welders for a complete repair station, we have everything you need for aluminum repair. The MIG range goes from the SynStar line, also available in basic configuration, to the pulsed and double pulsed models Sound MIG and Jaguar Sound MIG. All models are perfectly capable of welding and brazing aluminum alloys, galvanized sheet metal, mild stainless, and high-strength steel. Load in, select your welding material, and you're ready to go. Chibora welders use synergic pulse technology required by most OEMs for repairing aluminum parts. Every Chibora MIG welder includes a complete set of synergic programs in memory for welding and brazing all the materials currently used in the car body, including aluminum and high-strength steels. Inverter technology enables precision electronic control of output power for better quality welds. Our integrated power factor correction technology reduces the input power, which helps saving money and reduces your shop's carbon footprint. The possibility to adjust all welding parameters allows to customize the unit in an optimal way to meet most working conditions. Built-in cart with storage for gas cylinders. 2 types of torches can be used with the Chibora MIG welding power sources, a standard MIG torch or the special push-pull torch. The Chibora push-pull torch has an up-down digital current adjustment at your fingertip, which results in higher quality welds, and, on the model Jaguar Sound MIG, changing between the 2 torches is as easy as flipping a switch. The PowerSpot 5700 aluminum stud welder for aluminum, mild steel, galvanized steel, stainless, and brass surfaces is designed to repair today's vehicles. This welder uses capacitor discharge technology, delivering brief but high current density to break through surface oxidation and insulation without damaging the sheet metal below. It comes complete with stud gun and 2 clamp ground cables, can weld up to 8mm diameter stud bolts on clean bare aluminum, mild steel, galvanized steel, stainless, and brass surfaces. User-friendly plasma cutting machines, capable of cutting any kind of metal using compressed air only. They can even cut the upper sheet of 2 overlapped ones, as you often find in the car bodies, without damaging the lower one.